Changing the oil on a 1998 Ford F-150, the first thing you're gonna need is a 5/8 wrench. And then you're just gonna loosen the oil pan bolt. Once it's pretty loose, you can do it by hand, and when you pull it, it should pour out like that. Once the oil is flowing, if you just loosen the engine oil cap, that will help the oil flow out better. And then you're gonna wanna take your oil filter wrench and you're gonna wanna just loosen this up. And when you get it loose, you can do it with your hand. And then what you're gonna wanna do is get some oil on your finger and you're gonna wanna prime the seal just like that so it seals up nice and tight when we screw it back in. And then you're gonna screw it hand tight like this. Now it's important not to over tighten these. So once you get it hand tight, you wanna use the wrench to just give it 1 or 2 little snugs. And then you're gonna put that oil pan bolt in finger tight, making sure it's not cross-threaded. It should go in nice and easy. Once it's finger tight, you're gonna take your 5/8 wrench, and you want this one to be pretty tight when it's all said and done. And now that the oil filter and the bolt are both in, you can start refilling your oil from the top. I'm gonna start with the big one and then go to the small one. Now most auto parts stores will say to put a 5W20 in here. And while I've done that before and it worked fine, the book itself actually says to put a 5W30. So that's what I've been putting in lately. And then you put the cap on and you're good to go.